In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this frog image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion. On my practice run, I have used duplicated metaballs to create a frog shape, but I found we can just use a scaled sphere. I'm using Workbench with random colors, and the image size is 512 by 512 pixels. I'll show you how the meshes were created. If the meshes have similar colors, please duplicate it to generate a new color, because creating a new one like this won't fix the issue. It's best to use the Shift-D shortcut to duplicate, in order to generate a new color for the mesh. I'll render this image, save it, and import it to Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Here are the results. These images are from the practice run, and a duplicated set of metaballs meshes were used for the frog. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.